Another factor we know, travel. We know hundreds of flights were either canceled or delayed at DFW because of the strong winds across North Texas. We've got Caroline Vandergriff out live at the airport. A little after 5 today. Caroline, how bad has it been, I should say, the impact out there today?
Pretty bad. You know, we are right in the middle of the spring break travel period. The airport expects nearly 5 million travelers between March 6th and 24th. So it is really, really busy here, but surprisingly calm considering all the activity on this flight board up here. It doesn't take long to spot all the cancellations and the delays impacting both departures and arrivals. According to FlightAware, nearly 500 flights have been canceled at this airport today. Another 230 have been delayed. There were 2 ground stops that have happened here, halting traffic, one in the morning and then one this afternoon for about an hour that ended just before 3 o'clock. So that really messed with a lot of people's fun spring break travel plans. People I talked to in this terminal seem to be faring okay. A few delays, but no real issues. So they were moving forward with their plans. But the airport says if you do have any travel plans tonight, it's a good idea to check with your individual airline and see how your flight is doing so you don't come here and end up looking at the board and seeing you have a canceled flight. We will, of course, continue to monitor everything that's going on. But for now, live at DFW Airport, I'm Caroline Vandergriff, CBS News, Texas.
Yeah, we've all been there. We know the right thing is to be safe, but it can be annoying. Caroline, thank you so much. Another live look we want to give you this time from Fort Worth. Look at that. The dust is still being blown in, as we mentioned, from West Texas. These winds and fire threat, that's going to continue through the weekend. So don't let your guard down. Keep your First Alert weather team with you 24/7. You can get that forecast on the go with our app and at cbsnewstexas.com.